Namaste बच्चों. Hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to learn a beautiful poem written by Srimati Subhatra Kumari Chauhan. Children, whenever we learn any poem, we must know something about the poet. This poem was written by Subhatra Kumari Chauhan. Children, I have given her picture here. She is Srimati Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. This poem was written by her and she is a great Indian poetess, writer and a freedom fighter. Now let us move on to the poem.
पाठ 13 कोयल लेसन 13 कोयल कुकू कविता पोएम रिटन बाय सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान.
देखो कोयल काली है पर. देखो, ओके. सी हियर कोयल. कोयल माने कुकू. काली, काली माने ब्लैक. देखो कोयल काली है. सी द कुकू इज ब्लैक इन कलर. पर माने बट. मीठी है इसकी बोली. मीठी है इसकी बोली. बोली माने द साउंड ऑफ द कुकू. Okay, ma, its voice. Meaty meaning sweet. So the sound of the cuckoo, the voice of the cuckoo is very sweet. Okay. मीठी है इसकी बोली. मीठी है. It is sweet. That is the cuckoo's voice is very sweet. इसकी माने कोयल की. कोयल की बोली. बोली माने द वॉइस ऑफ द कुकू. ओके माँ. कोयल की बोली मीठी है. इसने ही तो कू कू कर. ओके. कू कू माने द साउंड ऑफ द कुकू. ओके मैम. इसने ही तो. ओके. कौन? कोयल ने. कोयल ने ही तो कू कू कर. ओके. इट इज मेकिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ साउंड. आमों में मिश्री गोली. गोलना माने टू डिसॉल्व. गोलना माने टू डिसॉल्व. ओके मैम. इफ यू पुट द शुगर in the water or in the juice and if we mix, okay, that will dissolve into the juice. The sugar dissolves into the juice. In the same way, the cuckoo's sound, the cuckoo sound, the voice, okay. आमों में. आम माने क्या है? मैंगोस. ओके माँ. आमों में. आम का स्वाद कैसा होता है? खट्टा. ओके. सोर. But this cuckoo voice makes the mango itself sweet. Okay, ma'am. कोयल कोयल सच बतलाओ. कवयित्री कोयल से पूछ रही है. क्या पूछ रही है? The poet is asking the कोयल. Okay, ma'am. हे कोयल. वो कोयल सच बतलाओ. सच माने ट्रूथ. ओके माँ. सच सच बताओ. क्या संदेशा लाई हो. संदेशा माने मैसेज. ओके मैम. दैट वी गेट थ्रू द लेटर, थ्रू द SMS in the mobile nowadays we are getting. So here the Kavitri is asking the cuckoo, okay, in this poem that क्या संदेशा लाई हो. What message do you brought? Okay. बहुत दिनों के बाद आज फिर इस डाली पर आई हो. Children, I will explain you. बहुत दिनों के बाद. after a long, okay, after many days, this koyal, okay, this koyal, आज माने today, फिर माने again, is Dali, okay. It usually comes to a tree and sit in that branch, okay. But in the meantime, it didn't return. Today, it is there sitting on the same branch. Now Kavitri found that cuckoo is sitting in that branch. So she is asking, okay, such batao, tell me the truth. Okay, tell me the truth. Aaj fir, again today, why you came and sitting in this branch? The Kavitri is asking to the cuckoo. Okay, ma'am. क्या गाती हो? Okay, what are you singing? क्या गाती हो? किसे बुलाती हो? Whom are you calling? Okay, what are you singing and whom are you calling? बहुत दिनों के बाद. बहुत दिनों माने many days. Okay, के बाद after many days. Okay, के बाद after many days. आज माने today. फिर माने again. Today again. Is Dali, the same branch. Okay, ma'am. पर आई हो. Okay, after so many days you came and sitting in the same branch. Okay, usually this cuckoo comes often and sit in the tree. Okay, but now the Kavitri is telling the koyal has come after many days and sitting in the same branch of the tree. So she is asking that koyal, what is the message? Why do you came now? Okay, ma. क्या गाती हो? Okay, क्या गाती हो? What do you sing? Okay, किसे बुलाती हो? Okay, who are you calling? Okay, what do you sing and whom are you calling? बतला दो कोयल रानी. कोयल रानी. She says koyal as koyal rani. Okay, ma. The poetess says the koyal as rani, queen. Okay, ma. Rani mane queen. Batla do, tell me. Okay, come on, tell me. Okay, tell me, koyal rani, just tell me. क्या गाती हो? What do you sing? किसे बुलाती हो? Okay, you are singing a song. Through that song, whom you are calling? What is the need for you to sing now? Okay, so the Kavitri is asking to the koyal. प्यासी धरती देख मांगती हो क्या मेघों से पानी. प्यासी माने thirsty, धरती माने भूमि. Okay, मैं प्यासी धरती देख. The cuckoo is looking at the dry land. Okay, देख मांगना माने to demand or to ask. मांगती हो क्या मेघों से पानी. मेघों माने clouds. Okay, ma'am. The Kavitri is asking the bird, oh my dear koyal, what are you singing? Okay, through your song, what is the message are you giving? Okay, you tell me. Okay, are you asking the clouds to pour the rain? Are you asking the clouds to pour the rain? Since the land is very dry. Okay, so the Kavitri is telling the meaning of the song. So the Kavitri is asking the cuckoo, oh my dear cuckoo, are you asking the clouds to pour the rain, to bring the rain? Because the land is dry. the land is very thirsty to get water. कोयल, यह मिठास क्या तुमने अपनी माँ से पाई है? Now the Kavitri is asking to the koel. The koel, cuckoo's voice is very sweet. It sings sweetly. Okay, ma? Its melodious voice is very sweet to hear. So the Kavitri is asking, कोयल, यह मिठास माने स्वीटनेस, ओके, एक मिठास क्या तुमने अपनी माँ से पाई हो? Did you get this from your mother? This sweet voice, did you get from your mother? The Kavitri is asking to the cuckoo. माँ ने ही तुमको मीठी बोली यह सिखलाई है. माँ ने ही क्या? Okay, did your mother has taught you, okay, sikalai, taught you to sing sweetly? The Kavitri is asking to the bird. Okay, ma'am. First, in the 2 lines, she is telling, did you got this sweetness from your mother? Did you got this sweetness voice from your mother? In the next 2 lines, she is asking whether your mother has taught, okay, to sing sweetly. Did your mother trained you to sing sweetly? She is asking to the cuckoo. डाल डाल पर उड़ना गाना जिसने तुम्हें सिखाया है. This cuckoo is not sitting in the same place. Okay, ma'am. It is jumping and moving to one branch to other branch. So it is while moving from one place to other place. Okay, डाल डाल पर उड़ना माने to fly, गाना माने to sing. It moves from one branch to other branch and it sings sweetly. Okay, so डाल डाल पर उड़ना गाना जिसने तुम्हें सिखाया है. Okay, tell me who taught you all these things. You are jumping from one branch to other branch and at the same time you are singing also sweetly. Okay, सबसे मीठे बोलो यह भी तुम्हें बताया है. So children, this cuckoo bird is not singing sweetly for its friend or for its family. Okay, it sings sweetly for everyone. Okay, whoever listening, they can experience that sweetness, that melodious voice of this cuckoo. Okay, सबसे मीठे मीठे बोलो यही भी तुम्हें बताया है. So the Kavitri is telling, so we have to take this value, this moral, this message from this koel, that to speak sweetly with everyone. Okay, as like this koel, it sings sweetly, its voice is very sweet to everyone. Like the same, we also have to speak sweetly with everyone. This poetess is asking this koel, are you teaching this to us? बहुत बली हो तुमने माँ की बात सदा ही है मानी. बली माने very good. Okay, ma, good. Okay, बहुत बली हो, it is very good. तुमने माने कोयल ने माँ की बात. Okay, माँ की बात माने that mother's words, advice. Okay, सदा ही, always. सदा ही माने always, ही माने. So this cuckoo is accepting her mother's advice all the time. इसलिए तो तुम कहलाती हो सब चिड़ियों की रानी. As you listen to your mother all the time. Okay, so that is why you are known to be the queen of birds. This poetess is telling you children to follow your parents, your mother's advice, your mother's words. Okay, ma'am. So she is telling that the cuckoo is very sweet with everyone. Okay, everyone likes cuckoo's voice. Why? Because she taken the mother's advice, mother's words to speak sweetly with everyone. Okay, children, that is why this Koel has become the queen of birds. Okay, it has been given honored. It has been honored by everyone. Why? Because it accepts and follows the mother's advice. Okay, ma? So you children has to follow the same way to get respect and to get success in your life. This beautiful poem was written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Okay, children? Yes. Hope you understood this poem very well. Kindly share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Give your valuable comments and likes. Thank you, children. Dhanyavad.